Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my B-Boy tutorial. Today I will teach you guys how to create a dynamic set using a shoulder, and in this video I will using a shoulder freeze and also a thread. Both of these are my favorite move and I'm using a lot in my set, and today I want to share with you guys. But before I start, like always, do remember to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming up from this channel, you will be the first one to get notified. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. Before we get in down to create the set, I want you guys to warm up first by doing the normal shoulder thread, okay? I won't go deep again for this move because I already did a dedicated video for the shoulder thread tutorial. You can check that out. So for now, I'm just gonna quickly run through the move. So laying down from here, swing up, grip your left foot with your right hand and thread. Alright, one more time. Swing up, thread. Your body is warming up already, so now it's time to create the dynamic set. Let's go. Okay, the very first one, we're gonna start by laying flat on the ground again. Okay, so I'm laying down. From here, I'm gonna swing up. Alright, I'm gonna swing my right leg up and my left leg is gonna go to the front. So my left foot is gonna touch the ground. And again, remember, my right leg is swinging up, but it's not gonna touch the ground. Remember that. Here's how it looks. Alright, so you can see my swinging leg is my right leg. Now after my left foot is touching the ground, I want to grab my swinging leg, which is my right leg, at the same time. One more time. Grab. Next move is I'm going to do a thread. So you're going to enter your left leg into the space here that we just created with our left hand holding onto our right foot. Okay, so left leg is gonna go in there like this, and after the thread you want to put your left leg or your left foot back down to the ground. Alright, from here we're gonna end the move by putting our right foot to the back of our left knee like you're doing a knee drop, and we slide and we're gonna pose. One more time. Up, up, pose. So after you end with the laying flat pose, you can continue to footwork or you want to continue to the floor rocks. It's really up to you. Okay, so I show you the basic for the transitions and you can get creative from there, or you want to flip all the things that I teach you, that's even better. Now on to the next one. For this one that I'm about to show you, it consists of 3 steps. Okay, again we're gonna start from laying flat on the ground. So the first step, you're gonna do the shoulder CC. Okay, very simple. Now continue with the second step. You're gonna straighten out your left leg, and at that moment when your left leg is straightened out, you want to grab your left foot with your left hand. Okay, one more time. CC, grab. Alright, now the last step or the third step, you're gonna do a thread. That's it for the dynamic shoulder thread set. You can see I have a lot of fun showing you guys and teaching you guys the moves, so I hope you guys are having fun too. If you have any questions regarding to this video, just let me know in the comment section below. That's it, and I'll see you guys next time.